Hey G-Squad, welcome back to another of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and pretty much what this is a true wireless earbud, which is pretty much a wireless earbud that has Bluetooth built in, so that way you can use it wireless. If you guys can see, for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. For this product, when you guys do get it, they do have different colors available. They do have this available in black, pink, blue, and some other colors available as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. The cool thing about this earbud is the fact that it does have a touch control. It is wireless, it's waterproof, and very lightweight, the way how to design it, which is really awesome. But first, I'm going to open this up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So first, the inside right here, we do have this little piece of paper to show you guys how to use it, which is pretty much the instruction manual. Underneath that, they do provide you guys a quick starter guide to teach you guys how to use it. And underneath that, we do have the actual product, and they give you guys some accessories underneath it. Let's take it all out. So inside right here, if you guys open up, they do provide you guys a USB to USB-C cable that you can use to charge the product. And they also provide you guys some extra ear tips should you guys need to replace it. So that way, if you guys want to use a small one, the medium one, or large one, you can change it based on your own preference. And that's everything that's included inside this small little box. And last but not least, we do have the actual part right here. So the top part right here, we do have the brand name. And you can see the color of this case that we do have right here, it is pink. So if you guys want to get the other colors, feel free to get those instead. But we do have the pink one right here. The front part right here, we do have the in-here light to show you guys the battery percentage when you guys do use it. And the back part right here is where you can plug in cable to charge it, which is USB-C, you can see. If you guys do open up, here's what the inside looks like. So we do have two of the earbuds, one for left and one for right. If you guys do take it out, that is what the inside looks like. So it's magnetic. So the first time using the product, you do want to peel this part out. Otherwise, you cannot recharge it. It's like this little tape that's on it, on both of them. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the earbuds look like. So if you guys do put it back in, you can see how it starts charging, and the magnet that's on there is actually very strong. So that is everything that's included for the product. What I'm doing right now is to take it out and put it onto the ear to show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll test it out. So let's do put it on. Once you guys do put it on, this is what the product looks like. You can see it actually looks pretty nice. It's not in the way or anything. And immediately once we do put it on, I noticed a huge noise cancellation or huge like noise isolation once we do put it on. Very similar to when you guys put in like earplugs or something. And when we do put it on, it feels really secure. It fits in there perfectly, which is really awesome. So let's do look at it up close. This is what the product looks like on this side, and here's the other side. And for these earbuds, they do have built-in microphones. So if you guys want to make calls on here, feel free to do so. But what I'm doing right now is connect onto Bluetooth. Okay, we got connected. Let me test it out and see what it sounds like. So immediately once we do use it, I do have to say that the audio on here is pretty good. But if you guys can see how when I change the volume setting on here, it's pretty high. So that means the audio that's on here is not really loud compared to many other speakers or headphones when you guys use it. When you guys turn it halfway, you have so many more control. This one you guys don't have as much control because I turned it to like 80% and it's still like okay volume. So you definitely have a little bit less control on there, but it's still pretty good in terms of audio and the bass or whatever that you guys get on here. But when you guys listen to like the audio and the vocals that's on here, it sounds really good. Very comparable to a lot of like higher end earbuds or headphones. But what I'm doing right now is test out the touch control on here and see how well it does work. So let's give it a try. So let's tap it one time, that is how you guys play and pause it. If you guys double tap it, one side is to go back and one side is to go forward. So if I double tap it, other side. If you guys tap it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It activates Siri. So if you see the touch control on here, it definitely does work. But what I'm doing right now is to test out the audio and show you guys what the microphone sounds like when we do use it. Alright, so if you guys do test it out. Alright, so what you guys are listening to right now is the microphone that's coming from the audio on the headphone. If you guys can hear what it sounds like, let me go listen to the audio and see what it sounds like. Alright, so after listening to the audio on the microphone that's on here, it definitely sounds pretty good. If you guys can hear, it definitely works pretty good as a microphone for a headphone or earbud. But I feel like when you guys are using it outdoor, it might get a little bit noisy because it doesn't have a really strong like noise isolation when you guys are in a noisy environment, but definitely does its purpose as a built-in microphone to let you guys make calls or talk to the other person on the other end, especially when you guys are meeting, which is really cool, especially for the price that you guys are paying for and you guys are getting all of this. That's actually pretty impressive. And in terms of the battery life on here, if you guys are curious about how long it lasts, on one full charge with the case, you guys can get around 22 hours of playtime. But if you guys only use the earbud by itself, you guys can get around 5.5 hours of usage on each time before you guys need to charge it again. And I do have to mention that for this earbud itself, it's actually very lightweight, but it makes a huge difference when you guys do use it. It literally cancels out so much noise, even though it doesn't have like the active noise cancellation technology. Literally, once you guys put this into your ear, it's so comfortable inside your ear, and it cancels a lot of noise. Like I didn't hear a lot of my surrounding when I do have it on. Very similar to earplug, which is really convenient, especially when you guys are in like a noisy environment or when you guys are on a plane or something, which is really cool. But once you guys are done, you guys put it back inside to charge it back up. And it's all set. So very easy and very simple for us to use the product, and it's definitely a high quality product when we do use it. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this earbud, I do have to say that it's super worth it based on the price that you're paying for and what you guys are getting out of it. It gives you guys a high quality audio, very secure fit when you guys put it on, and give you guys that noise isolation when you guys wear it as well. And also everything else I mentioned in terms of the built-in microphone and so much more. Then I do have to say that it's actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.